Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your Azure subscription and role permissions. You need contributor or owner. Next, create or select a VNet and immediately add a /26 or larger subnet named Azure Bastion subnet. This is required. Make sure the target VMs already exist in that VNet and verify their network security group allows outbound 443 for session initiation. Once these prerequisites are set, you're ready to create the Bastion resource and attach it to the VNet. You now create the Bastion service, pick Portal for visuals or as CLI for automation. Select the same region as your VNet, choose a standard SKU, and provision a new public IP. Associate the resource with the Azure Bastion subnet you prepared. When using CLI, pass public IP address and VNet name parameters. Adjust idle timeout and scaling to balance cost versus connectivity. Once deployed, Azure will manage the session broker and jump host, so you don't expose RDP/SSH ports directly. You finish by connecting. Open the VM in the Azure portal, choose Connect then Bastion and authenticate. The browser-based session launches without public VM IPs. If it fails, first verify NSG rules, user role permissions, and that Azure Bastion subnet is correctly sized. Also check any custom route tables or subscription quotas for public IPs. For deeper issues, enable Network Watcher, review Bastion diagnostics logs, and run packet captures to pinpoint block traffic. This usually reveals misconfigured NSG or routing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.